Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to loop a video in CapCut on your PC, so it actually plays repeatedly without any gaps. So first, simply open CapCut and input the video you want to loop. Next, you're going to have to select the video clip and then right click it and choose copy. Then simply paste the clip right after the original file in the timeline. And you can then repeat this process as many times as you want the video to loop. And another way you can do this is by simply using the speed or stretch tools. So this is going to help you extend the video duration by duplicating clips seamlessly. Finally, you can then preview your timeline to make sure that the loop flows smoothly. And once you feel like it's all good, you can then click export to save your video. And that's it. So your CapCut video will then play on loop exactly how you want it. So it's really that simple. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.